has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Chokoloskee to Bonita Beach, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Chokoloskee to Bonita Beach, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 6:30 p.m. At 5:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located over Vanderbilt Beach, moving west at 20 knots. Hazard: waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Naples, Vanderbilt Beach, and Bonita Shores. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. You can also share your report with National Weather Service Miami on Facebook and Twitter. The marine forecast for the following marine locations: coastal waters from Chokoloskee to Bonita Beach, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from East Cape Sable to Chokoloskee, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Issued at 4:02 p.m. Small craft should exercise caution. Tonight, east-southeast winds 5 to 15 knots with gusts to around 20 knots.